Recently, Jungkook, the youngest member of BTS, finally opened up about his emotional relationship with Taehyung. Then his revelations completely shocked armies and the netizens worldwide. In an unexpected interview, Jungkook, usually known for his reserved nature and rarely showing that emotional side, revealed his deep feelings for his best friend and the fellow BTS member, Taehyung. Taehyung is more than just a best friend. He is like a brother to me. There are times when I feel really anxious or stressed, and he is the only one who can understand without me having to say it, Jungkook said, his voice trembling slightly. We've been through so much together. Every laugh, every tear, he's always there. He makes me feel strong when I feel weak. This revelation took armies by surprise, because although the two have long been close, not men knew the depth of their bond. Jungkook, known for his easygoing and cheerful demeanor in public, seemed to reveal a more vulnerable and emotional side. Fans immediately praised the depth of their relationship. Men were moved to see how these two major figures in BTS supported and cared for each other throughout their challenging career journeys. This is proof of how strong their friendship is. Jungkook and Taehyung are an inspiration to us all to always cherish true friends, commented one army on social media. Furthermore, several netizens also expressed their admiration for Jungkook's openness, as he rarely shares his personal feelings directly. Men felt that this rare moment provided a deeper insight into the closeness between the BTS members, who always strive to maintain their privacy despite being in the public spotlight. No one knows for sure what the future holds, but one thing is clear. Jungkook and Taehyung's friendship will continue to be an inspiration to men. Jungkook's honesty and openness this time proves that even at the peak of their popularity, they remain human beings with genuine feelings and support for each other. Not only fans, but the reactions of fellow BTS members also further confirmed their close bond. When interviewed after Jungkook's statement, Taehyung was visibly moved and gave a heartwarming answer. Jungkook is more than a friend. He is like a part of me. We've grown together and supported each other, not just on stage, but also off it. Sometimes, when I feel lost, he's always sure to give me courage, Taehyung said, his eyes slightly watering. These words further touched the hearts of ARMY, who are now more convinced that BTS's bond is more than just a professional one, but one built on mutual understanding, support, and love. Even though they live in the spotlight, the friendship they've built over time remains a key strength in their journey. And that's what makes BTS so special. Jungkook's statement also opened the door for men fans to reflect on the meaning of true friendship. Jungkook's statement also opened the way for men fans to reflect on the meaning of true friendship. It's not just about sharing beautiful moments, but also about supporting each other during difficult times. In today's fast-paced world, where many people feel isolated despite being constantly surrounded by others, a bond like Jungkook and Taehyung serves as a reminder of the importance of having true friends to rely on. On social media, men began to express how inspired they were by Jungkook and Taehyung's words. Some even shared their own personal stories about how friendship can be a source of strength during difficult times. In fact, some fans argued that BTS teaches more about music and performance than just how they maintain healthy relationships and support each other amidst the immense pressures of the world. However, others began to wonder if there are more emotional and unspoken moments to come. Will this be a turning point where BTS opens up more about their feelings for each other? Perhaps because one thing is certain, even though they are global stars, Jungkook, Taehyung, and the rest of the group are still human beings who experience the same things we all do: fear, anxiety, and longing, as well as the importance of having true friends. BTS may continue to face new challenges in their careers, but with such a strong and supportive friendship, there's no more obstacle they can't overcome together. Jungkook and Taehyung show that behind the glitz and the glamour of the entertainment world lies an even greater force: the priceless love and the togetherness. Their friendship is the greatest gift to US ARMY, wrote one fan on Twitter. And it feels like those words speak for the many hearts touched by Jungkook's heartfelt confession about Taehyung. As they've always demonstrated in their music and in their lives, BTS teaches that together, we can face anything no matter how far the distance and how big the challenge. The deeper fans delved into Jungkook and Taehyung's relationship, the more they realized that their bond wasn't just about the time they spent together, but also about how they complemented each other. As one fan put it, they're like the sides of the same coin. Jungkook with his calm is often hidden behind a smile, and Taehyung with his cheerfulness that can liven up the atmosphere at any time. They understand each other without needing main words. Jungkook's statement sparked a wave of support from armies around the world. Men began sharing their personal experiences of how true friends can provide the same sense of comfort and happiness as family. This reminded men of the more important values in life: friendship, empathy, and the mutual respect. However, others were surprised by the depth of their bond, considering the two have very different personalities. Jungkook often appears more reserved, almost as if trying to protect himself from the public eye, while Taehyung, with his free-spirited and bold style. The other BTS members also commented, further demonstrating that behind the scenes, they truly support each other. The leader said, each other's presence is what keeps us going all this time. We strengthen each other, not just on stage, but in our daily lives. What Jungkook said is true. Taehyung is an important part of his life, and so are all of us. Even Jimin, who is known to be close to Jungkook, offered his support. You know, sometimes we don't need many words to understand each other. Sometimes, with just one look, we can tell what our friend is feeling. That's what makes our relationship more than just friendship. We're family. BTS has clearly demonstrated that despite being in a world full of spotlight and the expectation, behind the scenes, they are a group of men who truly love and respect each other, not just on stage, but in every aspect of their lives. This makes ARMY feel even more connected to BTS, as they know that BTS not only entertains but also shares meaningful emotional journeys. Men fans feel that BTS, through all their journeys both happy and challenging, provides valuable lessons about the true meaning of human connection. Their friendship proves that all of us, regardless of our background, need the support and the love of those we trust. In recent weeks, social media has been filled with hashtags expressing how much Jungkook and Taehyung's friendship means to fans, with some even creating hashtags like #Octagon, which have gone viral on Twitter and Instagram. Men commented that their friendship gives them hope and strength amidst life's uncertainties. And while Jungkook and Taehyung may not often express their feelings openly, moments like this demonstrate just how strong their bond is. It seems Jungkook's words about Taehyung aren't just words, they're a reminder to us all that in an increasingly busy and challenging world, we still need people we can trust to share our joys and sorrows. Jungkook and Taehyung, with simple yet meaningful words, have taught us that in true friendship, nothing is more important than supporting and understanding each other, without expecting anything in return. They prove that a strong friendship can overcome anything, including the immense spotlight that is upon them. And who knows, maybe this is just the beginning. As more fans are inspired by their relationship, BTS may become even more open in sharing their feelings, providing more emotional moments that will strengthen the bond between them and the ARMY. Perhaps this is proof that even in the stressful world, behind the bright lights of the entertainment world, genuine friendship remains paramount. This moment truly opened a new perspective for men fans. As seen in various online discussions, more and more people are talking about the importance of having two friends who can share their feelings and support each other unconditionally. Some fans have even begun comparing their bond to real-life friendships. Some have shared stories of how they found true friends who, like Taehyung for Jungkook, can be a refuge when the world feels tough. Sometimes, we need someone who's not just there for the good times, but also for the bad, wrote one fan. And Jungkook and Taehyung show that true friendship can give us more strength than we ever imagined. More than that, men argue that BTS, with all their strength and struggles, has changed the way many people think about the meaning of family. They're not just friends in a band, but a family that supports each other. This is a society of BTS that's rarely exposed, and the fans are now increasingly understanding that, despite their global spotlight, they're still human beings with a need to be beloved, understood, and be supported. Some have also realized that Jungkook's statement about Taehyung could be a reminder for themselves. Men are starting to reflect on their relationships with friends and the family, and they perhaps feeling that they, too, need to be more open in showing gratitude and the appreciation to those who are always there for them. On the other hand, while this is an emotional moment, men also see it as an opportunity for BTS to reveal a more personal side of themselves. They've always been known for their intense privacy, but through this statement, men hope BTS will become more open about their feelings, both in their personal lives and in their music going forward. They hope BTS will continue to use their platform to share inspiring stories, not just about success, but also about their personal journeys, friendships, and the struggles as individuals. Jungkook and Taehyung have opened the door for us to see a more human side of BTS, commented one fan on the ARMY discussion forum.